And in today's video, I will share with you 3 ways that you can actually start making money online from the comfort of your home. All you just have to do, have your smartphone with an internet connection and you're good to go. But before then, make I introduce myself because they're very, very important. My name is Collins King, and what I do for this channel we say, I go get clean, coordinated updates on anything we concern entrepreneurship, side hustle, make money online. I go vet these updates out, I go do the research, do the heavy lifting, and then I go carry the end product, come give my viewers. So that as I see bread from this side hustle, make my viewers they see bread. But the only thing what you could do for me, just subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, because you go love this channel and they carry extras come for now. Also like this video, make for push them out to as much people as possible. So with all of that being said, now make we enter the 3 ways where we say you can actually start making money online from the comfort of your home. Okay, the number 1 way where we say you feel actually start to make money now today is by offering virtual assistant gigs. Now what mean virtual assistant? Virtual assistant simply means you do secretary work, but you're doing it from the comfort of your home. Now what be some of the things where we say this virtual assistant they do? If you can type, if you can write emails, if you can book plane tickets, if you can book appointments, answer phone calls, do data entry jobs, these are some of the things that this virtual assistant offers, right? And you get people where we say they actually find virtual assistants, but you just guys know the right place where you could go set up yourself, and then you go actually start to attract these people. And it's very easy to do. A lot of people they do them, and you can actually start making $10 to $20 per hour offering virtual assistant gigs, right? And 2 websites where we say I know where we say that you can actually go sign up and start offering this kind of services is one, Fiverr. The second one is Upwork. It's very easy to set up. But if you now want, make I walk on through the process on how you can actually set up your account on Fiverr or Upwork, just let me know for the description box and I will run on the video very fast. Now my guys will be now. Alright, so before we enter the second way now, where if you start to make money, kindly subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell, just as I talked before, make it get notified when I drop new content like this. Like this video as well, make for push them out to other people, other Nigerians, because a lot of people they find ways to make money online and they very, very possible. Okay, now the second way you can actually start making money online is by being an affiliate marketer. Now what be affiliate marketing? I know see a lot of people go down to hear affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means you they help another person sell their product, and for every item you sell you're getting a commission. Alright, so make I explain how we take the work now. Let's assume that you have, for instance, an audience base. Make we say you did YouTube now and you get like 50,000 or 100,000 subscribers. Okay, me now I get product who I want to sell, maybe in like the fashion industry or the hair product or cream or whatever, or a course. Make we just assume say I want to sell course, okay, but I not get audience base. But I can't meet you now, tell you say if you help me sell this my course, whatever you sell, we go to share 50-50. If your audience buy, you take 50%, I take 50%. Why? Because you have an audience and I get the course. Okay, that's affiliate marketing. And you know sometimes when you watch video, you go see one link, you go say they go tell you say this not the link where we say I use do blah blah blah. If you click on that link and you make some sort of purchase through that link, whoever posted that link is going to get a commission from you, like from your sales or from your purchase. You get what I'm trying to talk? That's how affiliate marketing works, and it's really, really easy. But in order to do affiliate marketing and to do it really successfully, you guys get some sort of audience base. Maybe like on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter, you just guys get like some sort of audience base, because that's the only way to take sell. You know if you sell if you don't get anybody to sell to. You get what I'm trying to say? So that's the second way that you can actually start making money online. And if you not start to build your audience base today, I don't know when you won't start. So actually start today, start right now on any platform that you're very comfortable with, Facebook, Instagram, what, you know, just start. You get so the third way now, where you say if you actually start to make money online from the comfort of your home, is by selling your photos. Or when you see this online street, things where you could do to make money choke, but you just guys know the right thing to do. You get people who say that they sell their pictures online and they cash out every single day. Again, one guy where they always see picture when you see advertisers they use. That guy now, he don't get crazy money. How this thing works is you go onto a particular website where you can actually sell your photo, and then you go to post your pictures. Now, depending on the kind of picture where you post, depending on your vibe, your energy, the energy where you give out, if advertisers, that's like all the social media companies now where they do advertisement, if they see your picture and they feel like, oh, I like this person vibe, na fine boy, I like the energy, I like the smile, na fine girl, stuff like that, and they're very comfortable with using your picture, the moment they pick your picture, I'm on a money, forget them. I'm telling you, for every usage, or I think every single day, they go start to they'll be paying you for the fact that they're using your picture. Let me give you an example. Like when you see like a billboard banner on the road, right? And you see Peking, they use Peking do that billboard banner. They pay that Peking parents money because they use their Peking do advertisement, and that's how it works, right? With this one, based on the fact that they use your picture do advertisement, they pay you. You get, because the payment, now say you now the consent to them, say, when I feel use my picture, and then they give me something in return. But how it works is, it's not just once you go on this website and you post your picture, they go start you like money go just start to fall in your phone. No, it doesn't work that way. On how you start to post your picture, you will pray, may God help you so that these people can actually see your pictures and like your pictures and be like, okay, I want to actually use this person's picture because I like their vibe, I like the energy they're putting out, I love the smile, they can be able to represent our company well, stuff like that, because you get a lot of people where they actually still post picture. So you just got to do your own in a way where we say you go stand out, and then these people go select you, and once they select you, any money where they pay, now you and the website now, where we say you register under na 12 and I go to share them, because you get platform where you go to go post your picture, so themselves they go make their own money. So that's how it works. You know what I'm trying to say? So my people, if in any way you gain any sort of value from this video, let me know in the comment section below. I beg, subscribe to the channel, and I get many more ways to make money, but in subsequent videos I'm going to drop them for now. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, and also like this video, make for push them out to as much people as possible. With all of that being said, me now, I will see you now for my next video. Be well, be safe. I'm out.